Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove exclusion in Windows Defender in a very simple way. What you have to do is just simply come over into Start icon, Search Share Settings, and click Enter. After coming over into Settings, you just need to come over Privacy and Security. If you click on that, then you're going to find out Windows Security. Click on it. And then we need to click on Virus and Threat Protection. If you click on that, then if you scroll down a little bit, then here you're going to find out option into Virus and Threat Protection settings called Manage Settings. If you click on that, then if you scroll down a little bit, here you're going to find out Exclusions. So if you click on Add or Remove Exclusions, so here if you click on Add an Exclusions, you can folder and select this folder over here and select the folder. And as you can see, it's rightly add to an exclusion in Windows Defender. If you want to remove it, you can simply click on this bar and then click on remove. So this is how we can simply do that. So if you're interested what exclusion do, every file and folder Windows Defender scan if there is any virus or not. But if you trusted any folder that you don't want to scan, then you can simply add exclusion, or if you want, then you can simply remove it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.